There's not much to do when all I can is thinking.
Hello everyone, it's been a long time. So everyone, hope everybody is keeping well. Yes, I don't have to say, every one of us knows the situation, very bad situations. Yes, but let us not panic. Let us be positive. Only when we are positive we can sort out things, we can go through the right way. Yes, so first of all, to my mom, I am fine, I am well, and to all my near and dear ones at home, I'm fine. Yes, during these days, please stay at home. This is for all. Please stay at home with the family, spending time with family. That's unluckily not possible for me because I'm away from home. Like me, many are away from home and couldn't be back home even though we wanted to. I'm from Manipur, Ukhrul, and from Chingjori village. Many are afraid and many are in panic. I don't think this is correct. We should not be in panic. And for those at home, samaki, apifumaki, marang tukutai sulani lo, apola kanimana mana, kawala nikos na samana, safe sukucha amana, preventive methods amana, banking sna, aka revision landreme, marang tukutai sulani lo. Aka cinta berproje maru khandar selalu lo maru cuma venture aku ju cing kantek ju mesti na untuk tarvi me aka cila maru telani lo provision lani lo. So this is for my loved ones at home. And sadly, many unwanted incidents are happening in many cities of our country. Yes, I don't know what is this racism. Who are we? I don't think we are not supposed to be judged, or we are not supposed to judge anyone because of color, because of nationality, or because of anything. We are who we are, not because of where we are from and what we are. We are who we are. We are all humans, right? We are all humans first of all. Yes, and this problem that is in the country and in the whole world not going to affect any nation or any people of particular color. It is affecting everybody, irrespective of color, irrespective of nationality. When the world and a nation is struggling because of all this, we should only think of how we can overcome, how we can solve it together, not to discriminate. So every one of you out there, my dears, please stay safe, stay at home, stay at home, stay at home. Let us also remember our daily prayers with God. Everything will be okay, everything will be fine. So once again, to all my dear ones at home, stay safe,